Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
And good Monday afternoon. I'm Storm Team Meteorologist Jacob Woods, expecting the very gloomy sky to kind of break up in cloud cover. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds as we move into the afternoon. That'll allow high temperatures to warm into the upper 80s with a continuation of those very light to moderate at times scattered showers and downpours, most of which are going to be confined east of Interstate 65. As you can tell, the futurecast shows that well through the rest of this evening. A lot of this calming down as we move into the late evening hours, early overnight, and then we'll stick with mostly cloudy skies overnight with some scattered storms and downpours across the region. A lot of this starting to kind of turn from, instead of moving from east to west, now coming from the south and pushing towards the north. And there will be a little lobe of energy that passes overhead going into late morning, early afternoon on Tuesday. Very slow moving nature to these storms. A lot of precipitable water, which is just how much moisture we have in the atmosphere, which means very tropical like downpours are possible. And combining that with very slow moving storms means that we could really be seeing some spotty localized flooding. So we want to watch out for that anytime throughout the day on Tuesday. And if it's not raining in Birmingham by the afternoon, odds are elsewhere across central Alabama is still getting some of those heavier storms. So this will continue into Wednesday as well, but this is just one model's opinion on how much rain we could see through the end of Tuesday. I would not take these towns and their potential accumulation here verbatim. Just look at the kind of idea that the heavier rain, spotty in nature, whether you see those yellow pockets or maybe around 2 to 3 inches of rain, a lot of this is going to be east of Interstate 65. But this could always change, so make sure and tune back in tonight for Dave Nussbaum's update around 7 o'clock. So an 80% chance of rain on Tuesday, 70% Wednesday. Circle both of those days on the calendar here for the potential of some flooding, avoiding those low-lying areas. Once we move towards the end of this week, highs getting closer to average in the lower 90s, feeling like the lower triple digits, and that typical August pattern where it's hot, humid, with afternoon storms continuing into the first of next week.